Hey guys, Jared here, and I got this baby carrier to review. So this baby luggage carrier is pretty sturdy. It's made really well with these handles that are right here on the back. And with this, you can go ahead and just carry this like a backpack if you're going to go and travel. But with this, it has zippers along the side that you use to open. Once it's open, you can see that you have this extra strap to secure the baby carrier in place. So we'll just take all of this off. And then now what we'll do is we'll go ahead and put this right in here. We'll put this additional strap right back on to secure it right in place. It has a little strap here so that way you can kind of cinch it down. Then we can go ahead and fold this right back down and zip it right back up. Now that it's zipped up, you can see that there are some clips here as well, so you can put any identification tags or anything like that if you'd want. There's a spot here so that way you can put a luggage tag. In addition to there also being a pocket here on the front, so that way I can actually put some of these toys if I wanted to. I can just go ahead and stuff these right in here so they'll be ready to go. And then it's also nice too that they have this handle with care label so that whoever's handling this bag will be able to just be a little bit more gentle with this. So now along the side here, it also shows you how to put the baby carrier right inside of the luggage bag. And then once again, once this is on, you go ahead and take this strap, put it right along your back. You can adjust it just like this, and then we're good to go. So once again, I was given this product to review. I definitely like this a lot. It's adjustable here on the sides. You've got your ability to carry your baby carrier right here, and you're able to store any little toys or anything that's loose on here as well. You've got your label right here in the back, and it's really easy and comfortable to carry. This is actually pretty easy to handle, so I'd recommend checking this out.